Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to change a wheel assembly or the side brush or the battery. We're going to open up this Roomba J6 Plus. So the first thing you're going to do is undock it, lift one wheel off the ground. The other one has to stay on the ground. Hold this button for about 10 seconds and it's going to power down. That makes the Roomba safe. Flip it on its back. We're going to take this side brush off first. That's a Phillips head screw, so you got to undo that. Lift straight up, then there's 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take all 5 of these screws out. They're very easy to take out. There's 2 on this side. And then there's 1 over here. Then this tray will lift straight up. Everything's modular, meant to be replaced. So we lift this up, the screw stays with the tray. We can take the battery out to make it even safer. There's a little tab. This little tab, you got to pull this little tab out and then this lifts straight up. There's the battery. 2,220 milliamp hours. Here we have the side brush. It's got 2 screws. One right here. Okay, so you're gonna have to do this screw and this screw. They're smaller than a number 1 Phillips. All right, let's take them out. All right, now this should come out. See how it's a modular? The screws stay with it, and the electrical connection it makes is down there. It's just those 2 springs. That's how it gets power. Yeah, here's the motor itself. You can see there's where that makes connection. Now let's take a drive wheel off. Okay, there's a screw here and here. Again, the same size screw. Again, modular. Now the screw's going to stay with there. You don't have to take the screw all the way out. The screw will stay in there, but this is meant to be modular. There's the electrical connection. And then there's the electrical connection down there. Now these are separated left or right. This has a big R on it. This is as far apart as I would take it. I mean, if you've got a bunch of stuff around there, you could take this off. You can sort of clean it. I would not get water down in here. There is a lot of electronics. Just kind of wipe it off. When you're done, just set it in there. Again, modular. And then we're going to tighten these screws. Okay, let's put this, I got those screws back on. Let's put these screws back on. It's very, very easy to fix. Okay, so when we're all done, you're simply going to slide the battery in. There's like a little rail for it to go in, and you'll hear it kind of click. Take this, and you can tighten the screws down, put the brush on, tighten its screw down. Once you're all done, turn it over. When you dock it on the dock, it'll turn the robot on, and you should be ready to go. Be sure and check out my coffee. I just released Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's a dark Brazilian roast. It's in the K-Cup form, whole bean, and the already ground coffee. You can buy it at justadadcoffee.com. Recently, YouTube presented me with a plaque for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody, for your support. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there. And you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Here's today's free giveaway. It's a Keurig K Express. Also check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Underneath the video, if you could give a thumbs up, that really helps out my YouTube channel. I really appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.